Hey everybody, this is Steve at Web2ink. In this video, I'm going to show you how our user discounts work. So what the user discounts does is it allows you to create pricing groups and then assign certain customers to those pricing groups. So right now we're on one of our demo sites, and I'm going to show you how this looks on the front end, and then I'm going to show you how it works on the back end. So let's get started. I'm going to start by just choosing a product. Okay, so we've got the Gildan t-shirt here. Let's go ahead and get a quick price quote on it. So I'll put in, we'll just say a quantity of 50 shirts. We'll get them in mint green. We'll just set that to large. We'll keep this at screen printing, and we'll keep all this information the same. So you can see our price here, $4.79 per item. So that is essentially your retail price. If a customer with a discount is not logged in, this is the price that they're going to see. So let's jump over to the back end and show you how to manage the user discounts. So when certain customers log into your website, they're going to see their custom pricing. They're going to see their custom prices. Okay, so we'll jump over to the admin. This is the dashboard. This is where you're going to land. So what we'll do is we'll go down to Web2ink, and we'll go to user discounts. And you can see here I've got one made called Tier 1. So what this is the name of the particular discount. This is the discount percentage that I'm giving this group off of the product. This is the discount percentage I'm giving this group off of the printing charges. And then this is the printing process that I'm discounting. And then additionally, you can offer this group free shipping, tax exemption, and you can override your minimums. Not many people do the minimums, but if you have wholesale or contract type customers or people who are buying from you and reselling the shirts, you're going to want to click on tax exempt and let them collect sales tax from their end user customers. You can make as many groups as you want. So maybe right here we might say Tier 2. These people are going to get 5% off of the product and 10% off of the printing. That's going to apply to my screen printing. And I'm not going to give these people any of these special options. So I'm going to save that. And then now let's take a look at how to apply these discounts on a user-by-user basis. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to go down to users here. And you can see we've got a bunch of users here. I'm going to select Mr. Big. This is a fake customer. And so we're going to scroll all the way down through all of his account and user settings till we get to the bottom at user discounts. So right here, you're going to just select which tier. I've got this person as a Tier 1 discount. They're getting 10% off the product, 20% off of the printing, free shipping, and tax exemption. So I'll just click Update User. And then now let's look at this on the front end. So we'll go back here right quick. If you remember, our retail price for this configuration was $4.79 per shirt. So that's 50 shirt colors PFD. Size is large. The process is screen printing. So I'm going to jump to another window right quick. So this is that same website, but I'm about to log in with Mr. Big's account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. It's going to take him to his account screen. I'm going to go to products. And I'm going to choose the same exact product, and we're going to fill it out the same exact way. So we've got 50 shirts, PFD, large, screen printing, and the number of ink colors. So you can see Mr. Big's pricing is $4.12 per item because he is logged into his account and his discounts are being applied. So if we jump back to the retail, we can see it's $4.79. This is your standard retail pricing. Then when Mr. Big logs in, he's going to see his discounted pricing. So that's how that works. We'll jump back to the admin right quick and just review it. So you've got two sets of settings. The first one is going to be in your Web2ink section under user discounts. This is where you're going to create your pricing tiers. And then you're going to go to users and select a particular user. And then down here is where you're going to apply those discounts to that particular user. You can make user groups for an individual user, or you can assign multiple users to each discount group. So that's, excuse me, that's how the discount pricing works, or the user discounts. If you have any questions on it, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.